Using Firebase with Ionic, Section 3. In this section, we will learn how we can use Firebase, which is a backend provided by Google, in our Ionic applications. And in this lesson, we are going to learn how we can set up a new project on Firebase. In this lesson, we will learn how we can set up a new Firebase project and will also be introduced to the Firebase console. So let's get started with creating a new Firebase project. To create a new Firebase project, you need to head over to firebase.com. This is the official website for Firebase, and here you need to log in to your account. If you don't have an account with Firebase, don't worry, all you need is a Google account to log into Firebase. So click on Sign In on this top right corner and enter the credentials that you use to log into your Google account. Once you enter the credentials, you will be brought back to the home page of Firebase. But now you can head over to Firebase console. So click on this button that says Go to Console, and this will take you to the Firebase console. And this is the place from where you will have to manage all your Firebase projects. As of now, you can see that I do not have any Firebase projects. So let's add a new Firebase project. Click on this Add button, and in this pop-up, you will have to enter some information about your project. So let's enter a new project name. We will use To-Do app because this is the project that we will be using for our To-Do application. When you enter this project name, Firebase automatically generates a project ID, and this is a unique identifier for your project across all projects on Firebase. And I'll leave everything else as it is. I'll accept all the terms and conditions. Feel free to have a look at all these terms and conditions if you want to, and then you can click on the Create Project button. It will take a few moments before your project is created, and once your project is created, you can click on the Continue button, and you'll be taken to your app's dashboard. And this is the place from where you can manage everything about your Firebase project. So now we have successfully created our Firebase project.